So you've spoken about how people use Authlogics to gain access to a Citrix environment. Obviously, they'll have a front end, a gateway there, and I guess you would present an Authlogics box there for someone to put that secure token in there or that
Sure.
code in there.
Yes. So our solution is compatible with Radius server.
Right.
So you could use it literally on Citrix environment or on a network device, network equipment,
Yeah.
be it F5 or whatever that might be. Anywhere where there is Radius, we can do it. So you enter your username,
Yeah.
and the box underneath is one-time passcode that you could just get it from the app,
Yeah.
or via the SMS or whichever way that you've got, and you can just type that in.
Okay, so that's all authenticating into my corporate environment. What about software as a service applications, cloud applications such as, I don't know, Salesforce or Office 365? And
Yeah.
do you have a solution for that?
Yeah, absolutely. The solution works with Active Directory federated service. So we've got ADFS, exactly. Yeah. ADFS and SAML too. We're compatible with that, and we've got agents for that. So if you've got Salesforce running or Office 365 or any cloud service provider, we can integrate with them easily, and we've got also a single sign-on. So you could use that to log into various different things.
Okay. So a great solution would be, actually, I had ADFS running in the background of my organisation, and I had single sign-on. I'd log on. I'd use Pingrid in the morning, log onto my PC. I'll be securely logged on to everything that I use. When I log out of my PC, logs me out of everything, and
Yes.
away I go.
Yeah.
Nobody else can log on. Nobody can steal my identities.
Yeah, true. Very good.